Hi, I'm Harriett Weiss.
Hi, I'm Jay Weiss. We're originally from the Philadelphia area. We've been in Coastal Club for 13 months now, and we've been married 31 years. We looked at a lot of different communities when we came to visit. We had been coming down to the beach for years and decided we wanted to retire in this area. All the other communities didn't have the amenities that we have in Coastal Club. When you drive in the entrance, you feel like you're coming into a resort area.
We like Coastal Club because it's in Lewes. We wanted to be near the beach, and we thought Lewes would be more convenient. As it turned out, it's been great because the town of Lewes has so much to offer. My Monday, Wednesday, Friday start by doing water aerobics. There is an amazing indoor pool.
There's a club for everything down here, and you can be involved as little or as much as you want to be involved. It's a great way of making new friends. First time we took the keys to the house, we said, boy, we made the right decision. It just felt like home from day one. Everybody loves it down here.